I'm so glad that Art Park is organizing this workshop, this discussion on drones and how they can actually connect both in services and infrastructure. And that aspect is the use of drones in surveying, in mapping, in collecting geospatial data.
On the policy side, as we all know, in August we repealed the old rules and brought in new rules, and which is completely liberalized up to 400 feet.
Tracking these drones in flight is going to be a real challenge, particularly when you're talking about the urban environment, right? That's where technology need to be developed to, we have technology, but that need to be installed to really identify, are you flying or something else is flying in the same region? That's one biggest challenge in going to be in UTM sector.